Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove You May Like suggestions on TikTok. Now there's a few different ways how to do this. I'm going to go through these one by one. So as you can see on my TikTok, we got your You May Like suggestions underneath that. Now to go ahead and change this, we need to go back to TikTok, click on your profile, click onto the three horizontal bars. And then from here, we need to get into settings and privacy. Now from here, we need to scroll down and get into content and display. Click onto content preferences. Now under content preferences, click onto refresh your for feed. And now I want a fresh start. We'll show you popular videos to launch your new feed. The more you interact, the more personalized your feed will be, including your ads if relevant. So your following feed, profile, and inbox won't be affected. So click on continue, and then it'll say ready to refresh your feed. This action cannot be undone. So click refresh. And then a pop-up might appear, or did you refresh, etc. I just choose one or more reasons. So if it's irrelevant content, click irrelevant content, click submit. Also, you can add some details in there. Now, if I go back to my You May Like suggestions, so I'm going to head back here, home, search. You can see that's all been changed now. Another thing we can try is go ahead and go back to profile, click on the three horizontal bars, settings and privacy, and then we want to try and click onto cache and cellular to free up some space. So click on new settings and privacy. Inside of here, scroll down to near the bottom of the page, cache and mobile, click on free up space. Go ahead and clear the cache here and also clear downloads. So this may help remove temporary recommendation data as well. But mind you, when you clear the downloads may include effects, filters, stickers, offline videos, and virtual GIFs download in your app. So you'll be able to download them again if you need them. Now, another thing what we can try, if we go back to our feed, right? So while scrolling your feed, you'll see a You May Like suggestion, long press on the video, and go ahead and click on tap not interested. So TikTok will hide similar suggestions over time. So if I don't want to see any more of this type of content, I've long pressed on the content, click on not interested. Okay, the last thing what we can do as well is go in your profile, click on the horizontal bars, click in the settings and privacy. Under account, click into privacy. From here, I want to click into suggest your accounts to others. And now toggle options like contacts off, Facebook friends off, people mutual connections, etc. This reduces algorithm-driven suggestions. Now, if you found this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel.